Welcome to 273 Hickory Hill Drive in Waterbury, Connecticut. This is a beautifully renovated home. You will love all the attention to detail here, and the neighborhood is quiet and gorgeous. You're gonna go on walks and just absolutely enjoy this house and the peace and quiet it comes with. Super close to the highway, so if you have to get to work quickly, there's not a better location than this. I'm Jason Hickory with the Freedom team of eXp Realty. Give us a call, come check it out.